All right, check this out. I am at AC Tower right now at Marion Union Station, and we've got a westbound CSX train coming through. This is going to be a great shot. You got the diamonds right below me, 4 diamonds right there. Then you got 4 more diamonds right over there. See that? Everything is CSX except for these tracks right here. That's Norfolk Southern. They run east-west, Chicago to Norfolk. Right here geographically, north and south, but it's considered east and west, railroad east and west. We got a train coming right now. We're going to start the video, son. Here we go. This is going to be a good one. This will be a great shot at the diamonds. It's on the second track over. Here we go. Got plenty of rail fans here today too. Perfect weather finally. 75 degrees and sunny, and here we go. We got a train. Can't beat that. That's a great shot right there. Check that out. That thing really kicked the wind up too. That was a good one. Let's see what else we can get while we're here. So stick around, we'll get into something else. Plenty of trains here. That was a great shot too. Let's have a look at the diamonds before we go. Look at that. Check that out. 4 diamonds. Not many places like that. 4 here and 4 on the other side. Cool stuff, son. But wait, there's more. We got a train coming right now. We got a westbound on the Norfolk Southern line, and it is really windy. Holy cow. It's like a tornado. It's so windy. Those gates should activate here at any time because we can see the lights of the train. Norfolk Southern. There you go. So we have 2 of them. Loud, and it got windy too. 2 trains passing. It figures that little local would pick to go by right when that train was coming, so you couldn't really see it. But I'm hearing something else coming from that way, I think. We got another train coming. Might be a couple minutes till it gets here though. Marion is a city and the county seat of Marion County, Ohio, and it's about 50 miles north of Columbus. That's a population of 36,000. It's slightly down. 10 years ago, they had about 36,837. So the population has gone down slightly in the past 10 years. Marion Union Station was built in 1902 and it closed in January of 1970. It was a passenger station with 6 platforms. And it served the Erie Railroad, Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad, and New York Central. And here's the station. They also have a model railroad set up in that building right there, which I filmed a few years ago. Let's have a look at the other side here too. In 1923, it was the last stop on President Warren Harding's funeral train. And during World War II, it was a canteen stop for the soldier. The station was a passenger stop for long distance trains all the way up into the 1960s. And the last long distance train to stop at the station was back in 1971. Presently, the station is the site of a museum run by the Marion Union Station Association.
But wait, there's more. There always is.
Yeah! All right, we are inside Marion Union Station right now. Check this out. Look how big this place is in here. I think they've got some kind of event going on here today. I'm not really sure. But we are right inside the huge Marion Union Station. This is a museum, and it's operated by the Marion Union Station Association. Whoa. Over here's where the signals are that I did a video on these a few years ago, showing how these things work. Pretty cool. Check out that big diagram right there at the operator's desk. This is the happening place. Western Union Telegraph and Cable Office. Right over here. See if we can see that. Got some diamonds just on the other side over here. Here, we'll have a closer look in here. And your railroad diamonds are right there. There's 4 of them. On the other side of the building, you got 4 other diamonds. We are inside the train station. The other diamond's over that way, next to AC Tower. But wait, there's more. We got another train coming on Norfolk Southern side over here. So let's run over this way and see what we got. Gates are already down. Coming in a little bit late. Let's see where we're at. Oh, somebody backing up. Looks like a local. Looks like an SD40-2. Got a flag on the back, no freight today. Wow, those diamonds take a beating. Just barely got over here in time for that one. And here's the side of this Erie Railroad caboose. Check that out. I'm hearing a lot of sirens. I've been hearing sirens for the past 20 minutes. Solid. All right, we got another train coming on the Norfolk Southern and westbound. So this gives an opportunity to show you this caboose. And it'll probably get windy. Wow, that has to be the longest intermodal train I've ever seen. And double DPUs. Wind kicked up so hard, it's like a hurricane right now. Man, it is really windy. I don't know if that's from the train or what. Hope it's not coming over the camera too bad. It is really extremely windy. Alright, thanks for watching. Check out this piece of track laying here. I don't know if this counts as panel track or not. No, it doesn't. It's too long. But it's interesting. Look how long it is. Hey, shout out to Jake. Thanks for the pizza. Wow, it is windy. All right, let's have to get the markers. Hip and rail. Built January of 2023. 136 pounds per yard. I'm not sure what they're doing with this track laying right here. The station's right there. Let's get another train. Wow, is it windy? Look how long this platform was right here. I wonder how many years ago this thing was abandoned. Look at this. It's in terrible shape, but it's got sandstone on top and rock. And it goes all the way down through there. The train station's across the road right there. And this comes up short of the road, but it's probably at least a couple 100 feet long. It's kind of hard to tell because of all the trees and stuff. Look at the steps. Just imagine what they used to do right here. Had to have another track right next to it back in the day. And they've got that piece of track right over there that they're building. See that? The railroad ties and spikes and tie plates. They're building it from that direction coming towards me. Look at that. Look how long that piece of track is. So maybe they're going to build a big piece of track and then pull this out and replace it. Here's an old abandoned railroad track. This part of it actually looks pretty good right here. You can tell it hasn't been that long ago since they stopped using this. There's a piece of concrete across it right there. And then the track keeps on going, if you can see it to the left, going through the parking lot. So it's an old abandoned railroad spur here. But this section actually looks pretty good. I'm really kind of surprised. The ties look fairly new. Got really small old tie plates that they've reused. 24, it might be the year for that, 1924 for that tie plate. They got various sizes and types of tie plates on there. Wonder when that was last used. Interesting. Look at this, they kept on going right through the parking lot through here. This part hasn't been used in probably decades. Went all the way out close to the road. This is a big place here too. Let's get another train. Train station's right over there. Here's the track on the CSX main line, rolled by Rocky Mountain, let's see, RMSM, Rocky Mountain Steel, I forgot once again, remind me again. Rolled in 2001, 3 dashes, that's March. 141 pounds per yard, look at that. That is some heavy rail. That's pretty impressive, 141 pounds per yard. Vacuum treated, that's what VT stands for. All right, here we go, got another train. Let's watch it slam the diamonds here. All right, there you go. Man, that train was booking. What is the hurry? They were moving right along. It was loud over there at the Diamonds too, and windy. I can't believe how much wind there is here today. I don't know if I've seen this much wind before. I don't know how bad it's come over the camera, but I can imagine it is really windy. Here's the back side of where the model railroad layout is in that building. Back side of the train station here, and then the Erie caboose right there. I don't know if you can see anything in there. Let's have a look. Hey, you can see a little bit inside the caboose. Look at that. Pretty cool. I can hear some other rail fans over there too. This place is really lively right now. It's 75 degrees, and this is a popular spot. 50 miles north of Columbus. It's in the northeast central part of the state of Ohio. All right, thanks for watching.
But wait, there's more.
Yeah, there always is. Yes, that's right. And here we go. There comes an eastbounder, CSX. Let's try to get a different shot this time at the Diamond. Looks like an intermodal train. Man, that was a long train. Holy cow, that thing had to be over 2 miles long. And that card near the end of it said last to survive. Have I got that one before? Leave a comment below, because I think I've got that one. That looked really familiar. I probably have. That train took about 7 minutes to go past. Wow. It's no wonder it had been about an hour between trains. To make trains that long, that was at least 2 trains in one. Here's the backside of the station. Haven't really shown much of this. There you go. And I want to thank everyone for watching my videos too, because the views help make it where I can do this. I can get out and film trains all over the place. Just got back from Florida. Parts of the station you haven't seen much. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my videos, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you got time, check out another one of my videos, because every view helps my channel, helps make it worthwhile to do. So check out another one. And here we've got the live action pets, and we've got the slideshow coming up. All right, we'll see you later.